So this is just a quick demonstration video of the sun salutations. So you can begin by standing at the top of your mat, feet hip distance, and then rolling the shoulders back. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring the hands together at the chest. As you inhale, lifting up, arch back, separate the hands, and bring your tailbone down, pubic bone up. Exhale, fold forward, allow the neck to relax. If you can't reach the floor, bend the knees and then also bring the hands to the back of the legs. As you inhale, step the right leg back. And then go back into a plank position where you're going to hold the breath. Of course, at any point you can always bring the knees down. And then we're going to go to the floor. So knees to the floor, chest between the hands, and then chin or forehead down. If you can't do that, you can bring the knees down from plank and then just allow your spine to roll down to lie on the belly. As you inhale, lift up into cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes, press the hips back into a downward dog. Here you can have your heels lifted and your knees bent. Inhale, look forward, and then step the right foot forward. So if this is difficult from a downward dog, you can take the variation where you bring the left knee down and then step the right foot through. On the next exhale, tucking the back toes and step forward. Remember, you can have your knees bent and the hands on the legs. As you inhale, press into the feet, lift up, arch back, and exhale, release the arms. So let's do the other side now. Inhale and exhale, bring the hands together at the chest. On the next in-breath, reach up, arch back. And exhale, fold forward, bend the knees, hands to the floor or onto the back of the legs. As you inhale, this time you're stepping the left leg back into your lunge. So we'll show you the variation now where you can bring the hands to the thigh if the floor is too far away in your lunge. And now you go back into your plank. In plank you're going to hold the breath, and remember you can always bring the knees down. So from plank or with the knees already down, knees to the floor, chest and chin down. Remember you can always just lie flat if you need to. Inhale, press up into cobra, and exhale, tuck the toes, go back into a downward dog. Knees can be bent, heels can be lifted. Inhale, look forward and send your left foot between the hands. So remembering that variation where you can bring the right knee down now first as you step the left foot through. So remember, in your lunge position you can always bring your hands to your thigh if the floor feels too far away. Then on the exhale, tuck the back toes, go forward into a standing forward bend, and the hands can always go onto the back of the legs. Reaching the arms forward as you inhale, lifting up, arch back, and then gently come back to center, release the arms. So there you have it, a short demonstration of the sun salutations.